feel very fortunate that we get to use this unique classroom space. We have a simulated hospital room, we have a simulated bedroom and bathroom, as well as a simulated kitchen. However, despite the word simulation, all of these are actually functioning rooms.
I think it's always different reading about what OTs do in the textbook or learning about it in class and then actually being able to do it yourself. I think that's the best way to learn how you function as a therapist and also how you'll be able to work with clients, because you've done it, it helps you walk them through it later on.
I like the simulated hospital bed area because you get to raise and lower the beds, you get to work on both sides of the beds almost as if you were in a hospital. And it really helps out because it gives you that real in the hospital experience, but you're actually in class with the instructor standing right next to you.
It has equipment that's really from Keck Hospital, so it really helps the carryover with what we do in fieldwork and what we learn in the textbook and being able to work on it in a hands-on way. When we practice transfers, that our first exposure to transferring patients was in that room, and I think that for me was really important to make me feel like I could do that in a practice setting, because I was a little nervous about it, and then actually practicing it on our classmates and with the standardized patients that come in is really helpful to just make you realize that you could do that as an OT.
One day we were using what we call a transfer tub bench, which is a chair of sorts that sits partway in the tub and part out of the tub, and we had to problem solve how a patient with a specific diagnosis or surgery would use the tub bench safely to get in and out of the shower.
I would say that I like the kitchen the most because that is a space that I like to use in my own home, and being able to practice skills that I would be working with a client, and adapting those has really made me rethink my own personal kitchen at home, and how I would need to adapt my space.
And also, we have a room of plinths, and so you see those in different clinics or different outpatient settings, and so the fact that we can practice and work on them with each other, our peers, and with the faculty right there guiding us is super helpful as well.